Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, my name is Cindy, and today I'm going to share a couple of pieces from my Cartier collection. I've been collecting these pieces for the past few years, and I feel like I'm finally at peace and ready to move on to a different style as well as brand. So this was my first Cartier piece, which was so graciously gifted to me back in, I believe, 2021 or 2022. This is the Cartier Love Wedding Band in gold. I've been using this piece almost daily, so you can see that there's a bit of wear and tear on it, as well as the gold is becoming a little bit more dull. This is how I'd normally like to wear it, stacked right next to my Juste clou. And for my next piece, this is the Juste clou bracelet in the mini size. I got this one in Japan about a year ago, so due to the exchange rate at the time, I did get a slight discount. It's still holding up so well, and I love how, unlike the Love bracelet, it's so easy to remove and put on. I'm thinking about adding a Van Cleef 5 motif or a tennis bracelet to stack with it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. And for my final piece, this is the Juste clou ring in the mini size. This is my most recent purchase, and I got it back in Paris a couple of months ago. I love how this ring is so dainty and isn't your average looking ring. It also stacks very nicely next to the love ring. This is how I would normally stack them for daily wear. With my purchases, I've also gotten random Cartier things like this travel pouch and this really nice jewelry cleaning kit. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed and consider subscribing for more videos.